Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Family and Consumer Sciences exam? This is Praxis test code 5122. Praxis 5122 is a multi-subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of resource management. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. Which of the following is consistent with a point-of-service health insurance plan? No deductibles for in-network providers. Lower deductibles for out-of-network providers. No need to choose a primary care physician, or high copayment for in-network doctor visits. Lower deductibles for out-of-network providers is incorrect because POS plans typically have higher costs for out-of-network services. So let's cross that out. No need to choose a primary care physician is incorrect because POS plans often require members to choose one. So we can eliminate that as well. High copayment for in-network doctor visits is incorrect because POS plans usually have lower costs for in-network services. So we can also remove that. The correct answer is no deductibles for in-network providers, making healthcare more affordable when using in-network services. Therefore, no deductibles for in-network providers is the correct answer. Problem number 2. Which type of consumer behavior has high consumer involvement with a low perception of product differences? Dissonance reducing, variety seeking, complex, or habitual? Variety-seeking behavior is incorrect because it involves low involvement and high product differences. So let's eliminate that answer. Complex behavior is incorrect because it involves high involvement and high product differences. So we can also cross that out. Habitual behavior is incorrect because it involves low involvement and low product differences. So let's cross that out as well. The correct answer here is dissonance-reducing behavior, which occurs when consumers are highly involved but perceive low differences between products, leading to careful choices to avoid regret. Thus, dissonance reducing is the correct answer. Problem number 3. How does the Federal Unemployment Tax Act help to stimulate the economy during hard times? It provides a safety net so the unemployed can continue to make purchases. If enough purchases are made, employers must hire more workers. It allows the unemployed to remain free of having to seek employment. This lowers the company's bottom line. It encourages companies to keep workers even when there isn't enough demand for them. Or it provides a way for companies to continue to do business with fewer employees and prevents the need to hire more. The Federal Unemployment Tax Act does not encourage companies to keep workers when there isn't enough demand. So let's cross that out. It doesn't allow the unemployed to avoid job seeking either, nor does it help companies operate with fewer employees. So let's cross those out. The correct answer is that it provides a safety net, allowing the unemployed to continue making purchases, which helps maintain consumer spending and stimulate the economy. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Problem number 4. What is the financial term for the fee a person pays when they borrow money? Warranty, tax, interest, or debt? A warranty is not correct as it's a product guarantee. So let's eliminate that. Tax is also incorrect as that is a government levy. Debt is incorrect as it is the borrowed amount. The correct answer is interest, which is the fee paid for borrowing money, compensating lenders for the risk and opportunity cost. Thus, interest is the correct answer here. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of resource management for the Praxis 5122 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.